Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a multi-tool, and this will be the GANZO G104-S. This is a older model, as you can see here. Comes in a old style box. But if you are looking for a cheap, small multi-tool, then this is a nice option out there, and it will cost maybe as much as a lunch. So it comes with a nice pouch. Good to see they put inside a jelly-cum packet, and this is the multi-tool. So let's check out the construction, because there was no information on the frame. Yeah, it is full stainless steel. Okay. So we have a full stainless steel construction with some kind of plastic backspacer with lots of jimping, and the size, so closed, is 7.3 centimeters or 2.87 inches. Open is 11.2 or 3.43 inches. Closed, the width is 3.5 centimeters or 1.4 inch, and opened while pressed down, so this here is 5.8 or 2.23. The thickness, obviously, of the handles is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. We have a small spring inside here, so the pliers are in open position at all times when folded open. We have wire cutters, needle nose pliers, of course, and no tools are accessible while open. The weight is 87 grams or 3 ounces without the pouch. With the pouch we have 101 grams and 3.6 ounces. The tools are accessible from the closed position. We have skeletonized scales, and we have small nail nicks on the tools, so let's open them up. So on this side we have an owl, screwdriver, pry bar / screwdriver, thicker screwdriver, bottle opener, and the serrated knife or saw. On the other side we have a file, then a nail cleaner, then we have another screwdriver, then let's see, here is the knife and another screwdriver here. The tools are non-locking, so if you want to use, you be really careful. You need to apply medium pressure while closing, so keep that in mind. But this will be just for small tasks, tool for small tasks, so you will probably fine. Maybe just to have it in your glove compartment in your car, or in your backpack, or your purse, maybe if you are a woman and want to carry a little tool, then this will be a nice option for you. I don't know how is the lifetime of the spring here, because while closed it is depressed and nobody likes to be depressed. Okay, so price wise, I will put in the description where you can buy it at different sites. The cheapest one that I found was on Fastech, and it was around $7. So $7 for a tool. These go for around $16 to $17, but for $6 or $7, let's say $7, they are excellent. Just for comparison, my everyday carry, the Leatherman PS4, costs 3 times that much, or 3 or 4 times, depends on what pricing are you looking at. Here in Europe, these can go for around 45 euros, so they are crazy expensive. So size wise, another one of my Leathermans. So just for size comparison, this is the skeletal, and here is the reach. So you are getting almost the same reach with this mod, but obviously much better purchase on a larger frame. Okay, so this was the GANZO G104-S multi-tool. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.